Hello and welcome back to the Wider channel. A couple episodes ago we tried using a bore scope to look down into the cylinder to see how the valves looked in the engine. Though we're pretty sure we're going to replace this engine, I went ahead and purchased a new bore scope to see if we can actually see what that looks like. I figured I'd still put this episode together and share that with you and see what we can see. The bore scope that I purchased is a Depstech DS520. I purchased it on Amazon and the link is in the description below if you'd like to pick one up for yourself. They come in three varieties, the 4.5 foot, a 16 foot, and a 50 foot. I purchased the 16 foot just so I can get a little more use out of it than just engine work. It does have 3 cameras. We'll open it up, we'll take a look, and we'll see what we can see in the engine. And as you can see, it comes in a nice case. Open it up and there's the manual. Here's the unit itself. Very nice. Nice build quality. There's our SD card and a USB-C port. The reason I purchased this was I saw a review on it that it looked really neat with the 3 cameras. On the camera end itself, there is the front camera like usual. There is the B camera on this side and the C camera on this side. So the A camera on the front, the B camera on this side, and the C camera on this side. The B and the C cameras have different focal lengths to give you a better view 2 different ways. So we'll take this and fire it up and see what it looks like. Alright, so the camera has a USB type end and it's keyed, so it only has one way that it can go in, and it positively locks in. There's a click that happens when you get it all the way in. And now we're going to turn it on. And we can see there's the Spyder, and Spyder's upside down in the screen, so all we have to do is hit the flipperoo and there we go, we are right side up. Very easy flip. And then we'll try the B camera. That's a push and hold on the flip button, and there's me right there. Push and hold again, and we see the other direction. Push and hold again. This one is going to be the A camera out front, looking at the Spyder, and the B camera. Push and hold again. We get the A camera and the C camera. Push again, push and hold, and we are back to just the A camera. We can take a still picture by pushing once on the picture button, or we can take a video by push and hold, and now we can see up in the top left it's counting minutes, has a little red dot to indicate it's recording. Next thing we're going to try is putting it down where the spark plugs are and see if we can see what the valves look like. Alright, we're in the cylinder now. Let's take a look from the sides. We stop recording and then start it back up. This is the B camera showing these valves. This is the C camera with these two valves. Everything's closed. Just a quick product review of the Depstech DS520 borescope, endoscope, inspection camera, whatever you want to call it. I think it works great. Image quality is awesome. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself, the link is in the description below. That's all I have for today. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one.